If Microsoft Edge keeps opening a new tab page every time you start the browser and you want it to reopen exactly where you left off instead, this video will show you the quickest fix. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to continue browsing faster and avoid that extra new tab page every time Edge launches. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips. Now let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where all of Edge's startup and homepage options are located. In the Settings menu, look on the left side and click Start, Home, and New Tab Page. This section controls what Edge does when it starts, what page appears when you press the Home button, and how new tabs behave. Now find the Startup option that controls what opens when Edge launches. You should see a choice for opening tabs from the previous session. Select or toggle open tabs from the previous session. Once this setting is turned on, Microsoft Edge will stop opening a fresh new tab page at startup and instead restore the tabs you had open before closing the browser. That means you can pick up right where you left off, which is especially useful if you were working on multiple websites, research tabs, or online tools. After changing the setting, you can close Edge completely and reopen it to test the result. If everything is set correctly, your previous session tabs should load instead of the default new tab page, and that is how you prevent Microsoft Edge from opening the new tab page on startup by restoring the previous session instead. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials and Windows tips.